Hey guys, welcome to another episode of, I don't think it has a name yet, it's the S10, you can't see it, it's right over here. In this episode, we're going to get rid of our big, heavy AC pump that's doing nothing and replace it with this odd looking thing. Let's get over here to the bench so you can get a little bit closer look at this pulley. So this is the pulley. This is a Dorman HELP AC bypass. Basically, you just remove your old AC pump if you have one that's locked up, or if you have one that's just not hooked up to anything and you want to remove it, because it is it does have a little bit of rotating mass to it. So, I mean, it's not like you're going to get a whole bunch of horsepower or anything, but it will remove a little bit of that rotating mass off of your serpentine system, because this takes a lot less to spin, and it will clean up your engine bay a little bit. And just a little tip, this is a good time to throw a new belt on there as well. So, as you can see, I got it on here. Camera died. As you noticed as I was filming, one of the lights died, and then apparently somewhere in there the camera died, and then the other light died. So apparently I didn't charge any batteries. So we got it on here. It's just basically a pulley in place of your air conditioning pump. So I'm going to open up the garage door and start it up. Seems to be okay. So that's it for another episode of, probably still doesn't have a name yet. If it does, I'll try to find a way to edit that in here. I'm filming a lot of these in advance, so that's why I'm not sure if this actually has a name yet as of the time when this video is released. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you like this video and you like this project, let me know in the comments. Make sure to go into my channel, check out a couple other videos. I've got all kinds of different stuff in there. I've got videos on this truck. We've got Project Renegade, which is a Jeep Liberty, Project Dirty Willie, which is a Jeep Wrangler, and I've got all kinds of different how-tos and reviews and all kinds of different stuff, so make sure to go check those out. If you find a video that you like, hit the like button. If you have something to say, leave it down in the comments, and if you find a couple videos that you like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.